fast and accurate, and fully parameterized. If you are looking for a can handle most common spelling and intelligent and efficient floor art adapt, Quick Floor Pro, you no longer need to manually connect complex nodes, which greatly improves work efficiency. In multi-texture mode, you can directly batch import the entire folder. Wooden floor materials completely eliminate a large amount of repetitive work. What's more, the length, size, and material of each plank can be independently adjusted. No matter how you switch the splicing method, the rich Parametric panel allows you to adjust freely. It provides you with high freedom of layout. From micro bevels to real gaps, the parameter adjustment is smooth, with very low cost, and the extremely optimized grid algorithm at the bottom. You can completely open up your three-dimensional rendering workflow.